Okay, Cancer, this is your person's October month energies. This is what they are feeling as per the tarot. Mind it that it's a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. If you are single, then this reading is not for you. This is for the people who are in a relationship or situationship or anything like that. And these are the tarot, the oracle, and I have also added archetype tarot cards in my collection. So this will tell me about the personality of your partner, what they are feeling right now, and what are their energies right now. So we have the offering, the empty room, the desert. Okay, let's quickly see the signs that you might be dealing with in this month of October. This is Capricorn, Virgo, Aquarius, Taurus, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Pisces, Gemini and Sagittarius. Strong sign of Gemini and Pisces and Capricorn and Scorpio as well. So what is happening in the month of October is that your partner is going through a bad phase, and this is not because of some third party or a previous heartbreak. You are the one who is actually hurting them. That is what I'm seeing, Cancer. So you maybe you stopped talking to them, or you were asking them to give you something and they were not able to give you that, and the offering card shows that they want to offer you something of value, something substantial, because this is what you were demanding, but they were incapable of doing that. That is why they left, or you left, sorry, not they. In this situation, you are the one who is cutting ties, who is trying to separate themselves from their partner. So this is what is happening, and they are feeling lonely, and they are just like an empty room. So even if there are 100 people in this room right now with them, they are feeling empty from the inside and out. They need you, they want you, and they have been wandering. They are emotionally dry. They are pretending that they are okay with what happened, but they are not. They are looking for love. They are thirsty for love right now, but you are this is what the cards are showing. So it is a very it's a very personal reading right now. So they are watching you, they are stalking you right now, maybe through online sources, or you have common friends to which they are trying to keep a track of what you are doing, what you're not doing, and they are trying to give you that silent treatment. So you are the one who was demanding something from them, and they were incapable of giving it to you. Maybe you were asking for their time or love or their commitment, and they were not able to give that to you. So you asked them to leave, and they out of their ego left, but somehow they are they are so much involved with you right now that they can't let you go, and they are trying to give you that silent treatment, that maybe if they won't react, you will come back to them. But they are feeling very, very empty from the inside, Cancer, and they are literally, they need time to think about what they have lost, and they are taking time to heal from the wounds that you are giving them, and this might not be in a bad way. Maybe you wanted something out of this relationship and they were incapable of giving it, or maybe you guys had a commitment towards something that once we get this thing, or once we become this person or that person, then we might get together, but that didn't happen, and you decided to leave. And maybe you were asking them to change their behavior, and they were not working on it. They were just saying that I will change, but they didn't change. So you try to break that pattern, and they didn't do it, so you decided to leave. So this is what they're feeling right now. They're feeling empty and deserted.